Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm at our newest listing, 1305 Eminence Drive. This home is adorable. You have beautiful hardwood floors, granite countertops in the kitchen, 2 bathrooms. You also have a huge room on the back of the home that overlooks the flat, fenced-in backyard. And that huge room could be used as a non-conforming 4th bedroom, or it could be used as a workout room or a family room. Lots of possibilities there. A detached garage, and guess what? There are solar panels on this home. So it's very, very energy efficient. You are not going to believe the electric bills on this. So sit back and enjoy the tour.